Doctors are restoring movement in the neck with an advanced artificial disc. Have you ever wondered what happens when a damaged disc in the neck causes constant pain or numbness? Between the bones of your neck are soft cushions called discs. These discs act like shock absorbers, allowing your neck to bend and move smoothly. Over time, a disc can wear out or become damaged. When this happens, it may press on a nearby nerve, causing neck pain, shoulder pain, numbness, tingling, or weakness in the arm. If other treatments don't help, doctors may recommend cervical disc replacement surgery. The surgery begins after the patient is given general anesthesia. This means the patient is asleep and won't feel anything during the procedure. The surgeon makes a small cut in the front of the neck. The muscles, blood vessels, and other tissues are gently moved aside to safely reach the spine. Now comes the most important step. The surgeon carefully removes the damaged disc from between the two neck bones. Any pieces of the disc pressing on the nerves or spinal cord are also removed. This gives the nerves more space and helps relieve pressure. Once the damaged disc has been removed, the space between the bones is carefully cleaned and prepared. Next, an artificial disc is placed into the empty space. The new disc is designed to move like a natural disc, allowing the neck to bend and turn normally. The surgeon checks that the artificial disc is in the correct position and that the neck moves smoothly. Once everything looks good, the incision is closed with stitches. A small bandage is placed over the incision, and the surgery is complete. After surgery, many patients are able to get out of bed and walk the same day or the next day. As the neck heals, pain, numbness, and weakness often begin to improve because the pressure on the nerves has been removed. By replacing the damaged disc with an artificial one instead of permanently joining the bones together, this surgery helps many patients move their neck more comfortably and return to their normal daily activities.